सबको नमस्ते। दीदी, मेरा नाम बिंदु, मैं केरला से मैं कुटुंबश्री से आ रही हूँ। मैंने पहले कुटुंबश्री में CDS मतलब आपका CLF का जैसे है उधर, तो उधर मैंने CDS का प्रेसिडेंट थी। उसके बाद मैंने 10.5 साल ऐसे काम किया है। तो उसके बाद मैंने दूसरा राज्य में जाके आपका जैसे दीदी लोग के साथ और पंचायत के साथ मिलजुल के काम करके उधर का पंचायत में कितना आगे बढ़ा सकते तो उनको मदद करके आया है।
The PRI CBO Convergence started drawing lessons from the experiences of convergence in the Kerala model. The intense engagement with communities highlighted a missing link, a structured mechanism to facilitate collaboration between the PRIs and CBOs. In most of the states, CBOs follow a 3-tier structure comprising self-help groups, village organizations, and cluster-level federations. Under this setup, a cluster-level federation often spans across multiple panchayats, while each panchayat encompasses multiple village organizations.
Assam State Rural Livelihood Mission, we have under our fold, we have more than 38 lakhs of women. And then we have, with these 38 lakhs of women, we have made SAGs, and now we have more than 3,39,000 SAGs with us. And we are trying to empower these SAGs both economically as well as socially. And we have formed a VOs and CLFs, and till today we have more than 19,000 VOs, village organizations, and we have more than 747 cluster level federations. And in this way we are trying to bring all our women under our fold.
When community-based organizations work co-terminus with the panchayats, it enhances the efficient delivery of services in a structured manner. This insight led to the establishment of coordination committees at cluster-level federation levels. Different states have formed committees considering their concerned CBO and PRI structure. For instance, in Assam, the coordination committee was called the Village Organization Coordination Committee, while in Bihar, it was known as the Panchayat Coordination Committee.
We formed platforms called Village Organization Coordination Committees and Gram Panchayat Coordination Committees. We operationalized the standing committees which were dormant at the Panchayat level. We involved our CBO members, coordinated with the panchayats to make them, some of them as members of those standing committees. And with Government of Assam, with the support of course, MORE and MOPR, we issued executive orders for constitution and execution of GPCC in all 2,697 Gram Panchayats across Assam. These GPCCs, we are able to do the follow-ups after submitting the VPRPs in the Gram Panchayat and after integration into the GPDP.
The coordination committees are designed in such a way that it does not substitute with any of the existing federative structures in the state. It is constituted merely as a confederation of the VOs within a Gram Panchayat responsible for discussing on the issues of development and welfare that come up in the VO meetings.
और मेरा काम यही है कि जो भी है गांव की महिला लोग से जो भी दिक्कतें हैं उसको लेकर आना और मुखिया जी के संपर्क में जाकर उस चीज़ को बीच में देना। जैसे SAG में गए और वहाँ से जो भी दिक्कतें हुआ उन लोग को जो भी जैसे राशन कार्ड बनवाने में या पेंशन योजना करवाने में या फिर मनरेगा का जो काम होता है वो सब करवाने का उनका आवेदन भी हम लोग लेकर और यहाँ मुखिया जी के साथ जो भी मीटिंग हुआ उस मीटिंग में शामिल होकर उस चीज़ को भी हम लोग यहाँ दिए हैं।
The subcommittees have been formed under the themes of health and nutrition, social welfare and livelihood. The meetings have been conducted every month and they compile the demands and grievances from the CBO level and address the same at the panchayat level.
For forming the PSCC, we have just took the members from the CLF's RGB. So one members are representing from each panchayat. In total, we are having the 5 members or 6 members PCC members as a committee members, and these members are also representing in the GPCC, the Gram Panchayat Coordination Committee.
Once the village poverty reduction plans prepared by the SHG members are submitted to the Gram Panchayats, the coordination committee members regularly follow up with the Panchayat functionaries to make sure that the demands are addressed on time. Similarly, they also hold regular follow-up meetings with the line department officials to find ways to ensure their convergence for fulfilling various demands in the VPRP. Across the states where the PRI CBO Convergence project has been initiated, the coordination committees have played a vital role in fulfilling various demands submitted to the Gram Panchayats there by ensuring that the benefits of various government schemes are reaching the right beneficiaries.